Next question, phase 1, stoichiometry and redox reaction. Question number 11. 74 grams of a sample on a complete combustion given 132 gram CO2 and 52 gram of water. I am taking, I am writing the sample is there with oxygen gives you CO2 plus water. You have to use simple the stoichiometric concept here. CO2 is 132 gram. So 132 gram divided by 44 the molecular mass to calculate the number of moles. 41 into this will be 3 moles of CO2. And what is how many grams? 54 grams of water we are having. If you divide by 18, 18 also 3 into the 54. To form this, one thing is sure, that sample contain minimum 3 moles of carbon, yes or no? That sample contain minimum 3 moles of carbon, and because 3 moles of CO2 will contain 3 moles of carbon. Now 1 mole of H2 will contain 1 mole of H2O will contain 2 moles of hydrogen. So 3 moles of H2O will contain 6 moles of hydrogen, yes or no? So means the sample contain 3 moles of carbon and 6 moles of hydrogen. So ratio of molecules will be 3 divided by 6. 1:2 will be the ratio between carbon and hydrogen. So from the given options in this carbon hydrogen ratio is more than 1:2. This is also not close to 1:2. So 3C3S6 in C option, if I see C3S6O2, carbon hydrogen is 1:2 ratio. So answer will be C. Thank you.